Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a DIY home treatment for your feet with essential oils. The essential oils that I will use in these recipes, they help to relieve the tiredness and tension in your legs. They give freshness and deodorize the skin of your feet, heal small cracks, moisturize and prevent the dryness of the skin. Let me walk you through the recipes, let me show what the ingredients I use, and then I will see you in a bit. That's it, 3 easy steps, very quick, very easy and very effective. As per essential oils, I have mentioned before, there is no contradiction in the use of the essential oils, but it is very important to do the allergy test. If you're allergic to any of them, please do not use them, or if you are not certain if you can use any of them, always ask your doctor or seek a medical advice. Otherwise, you are free to go, you can use any of them and you will be fine. You will get a lot of benefits out of these essential oils. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking on this icon here or on the red button below this video. And I wish you all the best and I will see you in the next video.